Thank you, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm Phil DiGuglielmo, a director at Jabil. So I just got to see how to work this. Okay, so the first question, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the wireless evolution. So the first question is, what is Jabil? So 4 years ago, when I joined, that was my question. What is Jabil, right? So Jabil is probably the biggest company you never heard of, $35 billion manufacturing company, and it's headquartered in St. Petersburg, Florida. We have 100,000 facilities, over 100 facilities worldwide, 50 million square feet of floor space, and about 250,000 employees. We covered 9 market segments in manufacturing. The one I'm going to speak to specifically today is a little bit about 5G wireless and cloud. So our portfolio in this covers, we manufacture servers, switches, a bunch of networking gear. But the one I want to specifically talk about is the carrier-grade radios. So Jabil manufactures more than 1 million carrier-grade radios per year. Okay, and I'll say that again. Over 1 million carrier-grade radios per year. Basically, in about less than a week, we could probably fill this room with radios. So that's, one of the big things that Jabil does. We have partners, customers, Ericsson, Nokia, you could see it, Radisys, Mavenir, et cetera. So this is the foundation of Jabil. This is what Jabil has done for many years. So our market strategy, how are we involved in O-RAN and stuff? So first of all, we're a complete solution, right? Global manufacturing, supply chain. We have design capabilities, US-based. That's critical for, I think, the people here. But about 7 years ago, we decided to get into radio design. And so we have radio design coupled with manufacturing. So we realized at that point early on that would reduce margin stacking and that would reduce time to market. But what we really did not understand at the time was that we get ecosystem pull-through. What does that mean? So when we started to talk to different customers, different vendors about where the industry is going and stuff, it was going to O-RAN. And so we need to enable our customers, so we got a lot of insights into the O-RAN community. The other thing is we've already designed approximately 20 radios through, designed and manufactured about 20 radios at this point in time for Jabil. So with our insights into O-RAN, what have we seen? What are the issues and things that would be key dynamics for O-RAN success? So volumes, I think people are touching upon this, right? How do we monetize this, right? So in order to monetize it, to make it sustainable in the industry, we need to drive volumes. You got to sell tons of equipment. That's the only way. And then everybody will, further their profits on that. I'm going to skip to carrier-grade performance. For carrier-grade performance, that needs to be a given. That will drive volumes ultimately. A few things for the carrier-grade performance. MVP. Amanda mentioned that this morning. Minimum viable profile, right? I mean, these are test criteria that we need to define in order to make something carrier-grade. The other one is the end-to-end labs where they're going to test. We were thankful that NTIA sponsored in NOFO 1, the 3 labs. This is a big boost, I think, for the industry. But also what we need is field trials. We're going to have to do field trials in order to really prove out in the real world carrier-grade performance. And last but not least, supply chain security and diversity. So Jabil has over 27,000 suppliers that they deal with. So it's a pretty diverse and secure supply chain, to be honest. We could do anything. So when you think about supply chain security and diversity, think Jabil. And that's it. Thank you, guys.